Oh man, so Fantom has shown some really good strength in the face of a very bearish pattern which we shared with you yesterday. I'm going to show you exactly what I've seen in the charts, where I think we need to get above in the short to mid-term to avoid the potential downside, and also where can we head from here and my views on how altcoins are going to perform in this month. So if you're interested in hearing that, smash up the like button. Let's get into this. Before we do that, please don't forget to head to the links below. What you're going to see is Swissborg are offering up to 100 euros free, guys. When do these guys ever give you free money? 100 euros for free if you just deposit 50 euros or equivalent, guys. So go set up your accounts. I've seen a lot of you have set up your accounts, but you haven't deposited yet. You need to deposit 50 euros. You're going to get a token straight away worth up to 100 euros, and then you could do what you want with the funds. You can buy crypto, or you can take it back out, transfer it across. You could do Coinbase offering you $10 in free Bitcoin when you buy or sell $100 or more in crypto, and BlockFi will give you $10 for just depositing $100 or more in crypto or equivalent. So go get your free money. Links are in the description. They're all exchanges which I use, which is why I recommend them. And you need to have as many exchanges as you can set up ready to buy all the different altcoins. So don't be that person that tries to do it last minute when they're trying to buy a bargain coin. It'll be too late. So have it ready so that when we notice something in the charts and we need to go and buy or we need to sell, we're ready to do that. So get yourselves ready, get yourselves set up as soon as possible. So Fantom. We covered in yesterday's video, very importantly, that we were creating this double top pattern, okay? And this double top pattern, if I move myself out the way, gives us a target to the downside of this technical pattern here, which is this line is your measured move, taking you down to $2.25 for Fantom. And to be honest, I even said in the video, look, this wouldn't necessarily be a bad thing, okay? We've had the run up into the conference. We know what was going on. There's a lot of hype around Fantom. The prices move very quickly. I know people don't like to hear this. Fantom was, very cheap. Just a couple of months ago, people have made a lot of money in a couple of months. So naturally, you get price pressure pushing the price down because you get people who have short-term investment horizons selling the coin, right? That's what happens. So people who've held it from 15 cents, 20 cents, you do get some of them selling to rebalance their portfolio. It's not because they don't believe in Fantom. It's if they allocated 5% of their portfolio to Fantom, which then goes and does 100x, it's imbalanced their portfolio. They can't have such a big position in Fantom if you're these large institutions. So you have to rebalance your portfolio. And that's what we saw here. And we saw some downward pressure as well. Obviously, we had buy the rumor, sell the news at the conference. That's neither here nor there, right? That's going to happen. We're going to get a little bit of calling off. And I think that's fine, medium to long run for Fantom. So I just want to make that very clear. But on the short term, what is fantastic is if I remove this, move me out of the way, first of all. You don't need to be in the way. And then if I show you what we've done here is we've managed to avert this technical target. So we were saying we were supposed to head back down there. We managed to get some really good support here. And you can see exactly why we've managed to get the support is we managed to pick it up from this level here dating back to the 23rd of October. So it's picked up that support from there. It's curled back up. And now is a very important time for us, guys. So the next couple of 4-hourly candles are going to be super important for us. And we need to see some hourly candles come above this white neckline. Okay, so this white neckline from the double top pattern, we can't break down below it again because then our bearish price target remains. Then our price targets of $2.24 remains. But if we can get above it and create a high, even somewhere up here, and we can turn the neckline into support and bounce off of it, which is this level at $2.86, then we can go and test all-time highs. And that's going to be important for us if we want to test all-time highs in the immediate future. So that would be amazing for us on Fantom. You can see on the 4-hourly candle, we are still bearish, okay? So you can see how this ties in perfectly with what I'm saying. As soon as you got a couple of candles just above there, okay, if we had a couple of candles just in there, as soon as you get that, you will see that not only will we be above the neckline, which is very important, we'll be above the neckline of the head and shoulder of the double top pattern, but also the EMA ribbon would have then flipped bullish in our favor because we'll be above the EMA ribbon, and that could set us up for a good move, similar to what we've seen in these sort of instances where we get above the EMA ribbon after being bearish and we continue to move to the upside. So the 4-hourly chart is looking very good. Let's take a look at the daily as well. And you can see on the daily, I have no qualms whatsoever. I mean, if you just look at this, if you just look at what we're looking at here, I mean, the daily looks fantastic. You can't complain whatsoever. The double top pattern at all-time highs coming down. Even the calling off we've had was an okay retracement. I mean, we didn't even go into the EMA ribbon. We've not even touched the EMA ribbon there. And this just shows how bullish Fantom is right now. It's not called off. And if anything, I'm feeling a little bit nervous because I want it to call off a little bit. I want it to touch the EMA, bounce some support off of it. And therefore, I don't have any issues, even just to give you some idea of my kind of conviction, because a lot of people ask me about my conviction on Fantom. It's one of the most asked questions in the comments and in the Discord is, look, if we even touch $2.37 here, I'm not bothered. If we go down to $1.94, it's not fantastic, but it's still in the EMA ribbon, right? So I'm fine. If we went down to $1.66, that is now a major retracement and we start flipping bearish on the daily. So hopefully that gives you an idea of what we're seeing here now. In terms of the longer term price predictions, you know what I'm thinking, medium term price predictions. You guys have seen my Fibonacci retracements. And my Fibonacci retracements are first showing that we need to get to a level where, we need to get to a level. Let me clear this arrow if I can. Yep, there we go. So we need to get to this $3.40 mark first, okay? So I want to get to that level first. Now, I don't suspect we're going to get there straight away, although we can if altcoins have a really powerful month. We know that last month had a lot of liquidity draining into meme coins, right? Doge, Shiba, SafeMoon, various other meme coins. Could some of that rotate back out now and head into some more stable projects? That's always the theme we're seeing, right? A lot of people come in, start trading some meme coins, get burned or make a little bit of money, and then they want to learn more, right? They want to learn about Ethereum. What is this Bitcoin? What is Solana? What is ADA? What is Ethereum? What's Fantom? What's Luna? And that's what we want to bring to this channel. So if you appreciate that, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, guys. Pin comment to the Discord. We'll take you to our free public Discord where you can speak to individuals. I answer questions, share a whole bunch of great content. So head over into this rapidly growing community, and I appreciate every single one of you. So Fantom, we're going to get this run up here. Okay, now if we go and test all-time highs, that's fine. If we head up to $3.40, that's fine. But I wouldn't mind a little bit of a tracement. One or two weekly red candlesticks is not going to do anything to us. If anything, it gives us long-term holders an opportunity to buy a little bit more, build our cost basis. Think about it, guys. We've had, let's count these together. We've had from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 amazing weekly candles, right? So 5 amazing weekly candles. There's nothing wrong with having a slightly weaker week. We'll see how this week plays out. We've still got this whole candle's only just started, this red one, so it's not a red candle yet. You've got 6 days left for that candle to play out. So we'll see how that plays out. But if we move from strength to strength, that's great. If it corrects down, I don't mind either, because I'll buy a little bit more in my position on Fantom. So that's my view on Fantom. If you want to see my view from a longer term basis, guys, check out the video which says the most important Fantom video you'll watch in 2021. I've got some great comments received there on that video. Definitely think it's one of the most important videos, or the most important video I've made on Fantom. It really does an in-depth fundamental dive into Fantom. I think it's really important that from time to time we do these deeper dive fundamentals into all projects. You'll see me do daily chart updates, that's fine. Keep an eye on the price, know where it's going. If you're day trading it, swing trading it, in and out a couple of weeks, fine. But for the longer term portion of your portfolio which you're holding for the long term, you need fundamental conviction. Because if Bitcoin drops 10-15% today and Fantom drops 30-40%, then are you going to panic sell? And what's going to answer that question for you, what's going to determine your psychology in that moment, is whether you've done the research on Fantom. It's whether you understand if it's valued or not valued and how it's valued and if it's a good project right now. So go check out that video. I give my thesis for why I personally feel it's undervalued. It's not financial advice, but hopefully that helps open your eyes into some of the things you should be looking at for not just Fantom, but for other projects as well. So go check out that video. I'll link it up somewhere here. If I don't, just type in Fantom, the most important video of 2021. So go check that out as well, guys. So there you have it, guys. There's a technical update on Fantom. Really looking forward to it heading higher. If it gets a little bit of a cooling off, like I said, let me just show you one more time on the daily. If we get a little bit of a cooling off, I don't mind, because as you can see on this daily chart, we've not even penetrated the EMA ribbon, okay? So no need to be nervous there whatsoever. Even if we got a penetration down into the EMA ribbon, even up to that Fibonacci level at the 0.786 line, it's perfectly fine. So there you have it, guys. There's your update on Fantom. If you like this blend between fundamental and technical analysis from a hotel room somewhere in the UK, then please hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.